There's my girl. I did my Halloween costume based on that one. They're so cute. I love these. No, that one back there was Scandinavia. This one is the Netherlands. Switzerland is the Alps up here. See Athos. There's Switzerland with all the clocks and the mountain climbers, the Alps. And this is this Germany? Who are these guys? It must be Germany, right? See, I wanted Athos to be one of the tuba players for Halloween, but he didn't want to play.
I would have been okay with that. I think Dart is the one who wouldn't do it.
He yodels so beautifully. The wink, there it is.
Wow, I like their music.
Athos is just important to me that this song is a bop.
Take the stairs.
But it's also... Oh wow. All the pineapples. Is she carrying a doll on her back, the one on the far end? Oh look, the one on the right also has a doll. Oh, I like that.
Oh, it's a purple llama. For some reason I thought the yellows look white. Aloha. Do you see the lyrebirds?
I see them.
Isn't that funny? Lyrebirds are a real thing.
Really?
Yeah, so it's a pun.
Do they look like that?
No, they don't.
No,
It's a
darn.
visual pun.
It's a visual gag. There's the snake charmer on a swing, but where's the snake? Or is it just a generic flutist, not the snake charmer?
That guy's got a mandolin.
He does.
I love far right.
Look at those pink braids on that girl. Aren't they awesome? It's like Kirsten, but with pink hair. We'll get the canary in the mines.
Oh yeah.
There's the canary. And you know what? I think this is also the
Canary in the cage.
So when the canary stops singing, the mine ain't safe no more. I think this is also inside the Tinkerbell cart. We were riding the UV Daring. I think, is this the Tink side? There's a Tinkerbell in the rock, but maybe it's not here. Maybe I'm making things up.
The Tinkerbell rock?
Oh no, that's her. See her? You need it, you've got to have it. Welcome to the Briar Patch. We made it this time. Last time we didn't. Last time we got stuck in the laughing place.
Well, zippity,
That is a skull.
But then when you pass it, it just looks like a rock.
You're right.
Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
Sending him to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up me hearties.
Just
Little old time rum with old Ben. Come on now, be a nice